Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to add the content and image to your homepage and middle school page. To get started, go ahead and go to Google, choose the account where you have your website. You're then going to choose the Google Apps in the upper right corner and choose Sites. Go to New Google Sites and you should be able to locate your portfolio. If you have the template still in your Google Sites, you need to go ahead and get rid of it so you don't edit that one. It's important you do not edit this one. So click here. I will then choose Remove. I will open up my digital portfolio and get ready to add information and an image. Now notice if I scroll over middle school, I only have computer design. I'm going to go ahead and go to Pages, scroll over middle school, and then click on the little three dots and choose Add Subpage. You will now add what other classes you plan on representing for your digital portfolio. I'm going to do 3D art, so I will click Done. To be consistent, I will go ahead and get rid of that title, choose Insert Text Box, and type in 3D art. To be consistent, I will make it a heading, and I will change the background to emphasis 2. I'm going to go ahead and change this image by selecting Upload because I have an image on my desktop from 3D. I will choose Publish, which is equivalent to saving so that people can see the most current version of your changes. I'm going to go ahead and scroll over and make it a little more bright. As you can see, when I scroll over middle school, there's computer design and 3D art. I need at least one more class to represent on my digital portfolio. So I will go to Pages, I will scroll down and select the three dots again and choose Add Subpage, and then I will type in Industrial Manufacturing and choose Done. Again, I will get rid of the title, choose Insert Text Box, and type that in. Text will be heading and emphasis 2. I will choose Publish again. I do that quite often just to make sure changes have been saved. If you want to change the location of the sub-menu, you would go to Pages and you can drag it. And as you can see now, 3D art is on top. I'm going to return to the document that has the videos called Portfolio Videos, and there's a document for video 4. I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and you can see some examples of a homepage write-up. Go ahead and fix this so it is relevant to you and not to this write-up that I am using. Do the same for middle school. Once you've made the changes to the text, go ahead and select the text. Do Control-C for copy. Go to your website. I'm going to go to the home page. I will choose Insert Text Box. I'm going to move the text box roughly halfway over, and I will right-click and choose Paste in Plain Text. I will probably set it to subheading so it's a little larger. I'm now going to add an image to complement my home page. To do that, I would choose the Insert option, Images, and then Select unless you have an image you want to upload. So I will choose Select, Search, and type in a topic that will complement my website. I typed in Study because I want to appear studious to anyone who might see my portfolio. So while scrolling down, I found this image, so I will choose it and choose Select. I will drag it up to the top, and I might make it the same height as my text box. That's not important, but I like to do that. I will now choose Publish. You can add an animated GIF, which would be extra credit, and there is a video that demonstrates how to do that. Here's an example of an animated GIF on my other digital portfolio. I will now return to my write-ups and take the information from middle school, do Control-C for copy, go back to my portfolio, choose the middle school page, Insert Text Box. Again, I would move it over halfway and right-click and choose Paste in Plain Text and change it to subheading because you want that consistency for good design, and then choose Images, Select, and type in maybe Middle School Classroom. I didn't have as many examples to choose from, so I just changed it to Classroom. You can always go to another class and take a photo and add it to your digital portfolio. I'll go ahead and choose this top option, select, drag it to the top, and then choose Publish. This concludes the session on how to add information to your home page, your middle school page, and how to add sub-pages to your navigation scheme. Until next time.
You have a wonderful day.